Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Neek Lynn, and this is the place where braiders turn to learn how to take their braiding skills and turn them into business success. Today's video is going to be very easy. This style really can be done on anybody, but it is especially suitable for kids because it's quick. And you know, sometimes when you're doing kids' hair, you have to be able to do something that's rather quick so that they don't get too antsy. And even though I don't offer kids braids on my actual site, I do take special requests every now and again, and he is one of my regulars, and so is his sister. So as a matter of fact, if you caught last week's video, his sister was actually in last week's video where I taught you how to part straight back braids and even gave a few tips on how to do stitch braids. So as we jump in, I just want to let you know that I will be using Shine and Jam. I normally do use Neat Braid, but for his texture, I find that the Shine and Jam works best. And for my ladies who do not like to pre-part, this video is definitely for you. So I'm not going to pre-part his style at all because, again, we want this to be quick and easy. And when you're working on kids, you kind of, if you can, sometimes you just have to skip some steps to get the job done. If you were able to hear the real audio on this video, you would hear him say at least 50 times, how many braids do I have left? How many braids do I have left? And he asked me this, literally, he's probably asking me this right now as I start this first braid. I think one of the best things about doing stitch braids when you're not adding hair is that you actually get to focus on just creating the stitches itself. So these are good opportunities that if you're trying to learn stitch braids, really focus on them for the styles that you don't have to add any hair. So as you can see, he is moving quite a bit, but that doesn't throw me off too much at this stage of the game because honestly, I've been doing this for quite a while now. So I've kind of learned how to maneuver around that. But if you are just starting off and you are trying to, you know, get your stitch braids down, it may be best to practice on someone that is a little bit older than him so that, you know, you can just focus on doing what you're doing without having to work around all of the additional movement. So guys, for the rest of this video, I'm just going to let you go ahead and enjoy it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on these weekly uploads. So guys, as always, God bless, and I will talk to you in the next one.